Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video I'm going to teach you about something called variable scope. And basically what that is where you can and can't use specific variables. So when we define a function, if we define a function colors, let's say, and we put print, let's put color equals blue. We can put print color. Right, so if I call the colors variable, or the colors function rather, and I run that, it's going to print blue. Now if I would go define new colors, and I would put print color, oops, I didn't call it. Let's go new colors. Now you're going to see there's an error. And it's going to tell you that named color is not defined, even though we defined it here. The reason that it's giving that error is because when a variable is declared inside a function, it can only be used in that function. Now if I take color out of the function, I put color up here and put color equals blue and run it again, now it works for both of them. And the reason being is if the variable is declared outside of the function like it is here, any of the functions can then use it. So that's why it works. But again, if it would have just been declared in just one function, only that particular function can use it. Okay, so it's that simple. Just a short little video on where you can and can't use variables. And again, the technical term for that is variable scope. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.